Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a page from your website in Hostinger Website Builder. I will also show you how to hide or remove a page from your website without completely deleting it from your website. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to the websites page, and next to the website you want to remove a page on, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website inside the website builder, and first let's view this website live. As you see, I have a page called tutorial page that it is still empty. Let's see how to delete this page. Simply go to pages, this new page or this window slides in, and next to the page that you want to remove or delete, click on these three dots and select delete. A new page opens up, click on delete again, and here the page is deleted from the navigation menu and also from your website. Now don't forget to update your website to publish this new change. Now my website is updated. Let's view it live. And as you see, the page does not show up in the navigation menu. Here, let's say if you have to make sure that the page is permanently deleted or completely deleted, refresh the same page. And as you see, page not found. Now, let's show you another way to that may help you, which is hiding the page from this navigation menu without deleting it completely from your website. So let's say, this is the website editor. Now go to the pages, click on pages again, and here let's say that this menu page, I want to hide it from this navigation menu without deleting it. I can simply drag and move it below hidden from navigation. Here below hidden from navigation, close this window, update your website. Let's view the website live, and as you see, no more menu page in the navigation menu. This page is only hidden. I mean, if you have access to this page, for example, by a link in your website or another website page, for example, if you click on it, you can still access it without being shown in the navigation menu. And this is how to remove a page. This is how to delete or remove a page from your website. And also the second method, which is hide a page from the navigation menu. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.